Alright, day 17. It's, well, actually, we've only got a week left of this calendar, because another 7 days and it's 24, which is when this calendar completes. So, let's see what we've got. We have a dude. He's holding a plate of baked goods. This will be a fast build tonight. That's alright, we've actually had some pretty good mini kits the last couple of days, so I guess we're due a figure. So, let's have a look. Alright, hey, we get proper legs. This is the first figure with proper legs. With the movie legs. Alright, so there's that, and then we're going to stick his head on, and we're going to give him the little chef lid thing, and then we need to give him an assortment of baked goods. Looks like we've got 3 different things. Some little things that look like Jaffa Cakes, and, I don't know, muffins or chocolate chip cookies or something along those lines. And then his little hand goes up into the circle on the bottom of the tray, and there you have it. We have a little dude with some baked goods. Well, that was a rather simple one. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist, and right here is the link to Patreon that you can use to help me out with the other things I do on this channel. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you I was going to say next week, that's the wrong script. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.